Can I purchase firearms after completing the Canadian Firearms Safety Course? Yes. Once you complete the course, you can apply for your Possession and Acquisition License, or PAL. The process includes a 28-day waiting period and typically takes 45 days to complete. Step 1 is taking the CFSC. If you're interested in restricted firearms, you'll also need the CRFSC. Both courses teach essential topics like safe handling, firearm types, ammunition, and your responsibilities as an owner. After the course, you'll take a written and practical test. No live fire, just safety and handling. Then, apply for your license and wait for it to be processed. If you're aiming to own restricted firearms, you'll also need an authorization to transport. Start your journey today at BC Firearms Academy.
Get free online PAL and RPAL study materials, book in-person CFSC and CRFSC courses, and take your core challenge.
Visit firearmsacademy.ca now.